Welcome to this 5-minute decision-making meditation. Find a comfortable seated position, close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly, releasing any tension. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment. Begin by setting an intention for this meditation. It could be find clarity, make confident decision, or to connect with your inner guidance. Hold this intention gently in your mind as we start our journey. Bringing your attention to your breath, inhale deeply through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Feel your body grounded. Feel your body grounding into the earth. Visualize roots extending from your feet deep into the ground, anchoring you firmly. Feel the stability and support from the earth below. With each breath, imagine a gentle wave of calm washing over you. Focus on the area around your heart. Visualize a warm, golden light glowing here. This is the center of your inner wisdom. Breathe deeply, feeling this light expand with each inhale. As you exhale, feel your doubts or confusion melting away. Now, bring to mind the decision you are facing. See it clearly in your mind's eye. Imagine the golden light from your heart spreading to your mind, illuminating your thoughts with clarity and confidence. Visualize yourself making this decision with ease, feeling assured and guided by your inner wisdom. To ensure you are making the right decision, consider the following. Does the decision align with your core value and beliefs? How do you feel when you think about this decision? Do you feel calm and at peace? Or do you feel anxious and unsettled? Consider the long-term effects of this decision. Will it benefit you and others in the future? And trust your gut feeling. Often your intention can provide insights that your rational mind might miss. As you hold this clarity, evaluate your decision against these points. Trust that your inner wisdom will guide you to the best choice. As you hold this clarity, consider the steps needed to make this decision. Visualize yourself taking each step with confidence and calmness. Remind yourself that you have the wisdom within you to make the best choice. You know who you are and what you need, deep down. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of clarity and confidence with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining this decision-making meditation. I wish you all the best. Good luck. Namaste.